called Amazonian terrorism. Yeah. So my people, I just can't tell now wait till one of the complaint that one of which will pass through for Bush. We were like an amber fighter, make the world and make my country people they understand. Then I get advice my brother, they say they for ground zero, they say fight it, they fight struggle. I guess so one big advice put some sense for their head. Yes. So I thank you very much, my people. As you come, see share. I thank God, even though I know see and now for a few minutes, I see get so many views. Wow, really thank you for that. I go play but I say a video, but I not go show the video because the video be very disturbing. It not be nice for watch because in a very big wound by bullets. We Amazonian border they ready for Bush they pass through. Yes. It not be nice for show and for screen, but I'll just play them on a hear but I not go show on the image because it be very disturbing. A very fat wound. If you say destroyed bone, cut bone. If you see yourself now, you not go fit even chop. So I know will show them because of that. But if you need them, if you be there for a WhatsApp group for MKPD, you go don't get the video. But if you don't get the video, if you see message me for back, I will send it to you so that you watch it. Thank you very much, my country people. So I will first play them before I talk. Yeah.
2020, na me Commander Granod. Enemy them for Ambazonian freedom. You can't attack us. They shoot my foot, shoot my hand. Doctor, maybe they take treatment for the he don't stop him because of financial support. He no day for continue for pay. So now the food it is cement. You don't rot in at the sofa, it is cement. At the beg for financial support. Okay, I may continue with the treatment. Thanks.
Yeah, now one of them that must play the other man again.
May 2020. My name's Ankwete Emmanuel John. Greetings to all friends of goodwill out there. I'm a victim of the persecuted Christians of British former Cameroon by La République du Cameroon military. I was shot and my bone got scattered and mixing, as you can see in this video. And because of lack of medical attention, lack of finance, I'm unable to sustain this injury. I hereby use this opportunity to plead from friends of liberty and friends of goodwill around the world to assist me financially to get good medical attention so that this hand will not be cut off. As you can see, I'm feeling a lot of pains on daily basis. This help can come through this account number on this video or through the Black Cross Federation. Please, I need help. Thank you.
No, the other man, they shoot it for the food. The food will start rotting, the smell. But the thing that they pass through for Bush, man, make una know. Una just have to contribute money for who? For who? Now, one of the things that would pass through for Bush. That other one, an amber fighter, they shoot it. Fighter versus fighter. For the food, all the rotting all with his hand. No man no get time. Even the so-called their brother for ground zero, all the kind kidnapping, they kidnap. No man no get time. If food is rotting, they go. And I say, go die. Don't die plenty. The other one, for your hand, they shoot them. They chakara all the bone. When they fight between the amber and military for the battlefield, bullet picking with hand. They abandon me. They forget about it. But these people, then for diaspora, man, make them know which way they. Because people don't understand. The people that for diaspora, when they want to send you for mission, my brother, they might tell you something. They go call you, Peter or Clovis. You know, say a condo over coal, boyard over coal, kumbado over coal, and if for Rotterdam, and if for make a play on a day, you know, so we dey on ground, yeah, my boy, they call yeah, my boy, how are you? They tell you all kind lie, all kind propaganda, all kind so your heart go to sweet, it go to sweet. When I die, they go die. They don't brainwash you, tell you all kind promises, they give up kind thing, they when a baby lie. You go for the back, you want you tum, bullet pick you. If you God bless you, you go run without wound for your hand or for your foot. You survive, you come. As you take your phone, a message, you say, Pa, He bad though, I get injury. He just forget about you because it be expensive. He prefers to make you die because it is sending up for to make you go die so that you go use their picture, take a work money, take a cap publish and say my brother they die every day, they fight every day. But when you get wound, you look and say no, you be expensive. Before you want to kill, you want to spend that kind of money, forget about you. He look for the next person when you go physically brainwash and use them again. That's so amber day. When they don't give you, they don't destroy you, they don't get injured, they forget about you. They go to the next person. That's so they prefer to make you die. That's what they prefer, and that's why you get injury. That's what people, that's what they do. They prefer say you die you. They use your corpse, they can make money. But when you get injured, they forget about you. See the one that they cry. Not that they fair, they plenty, they don't destroy, they don't cut, they don't die, say when a food rotten, also bush out, they will die. No man no get your time. If you sick, so don't give parasite, your friend they abandon you. If you are so-called colleague, they forget about you because Ambazonia struggle as survivor of the fittest. That's why they did for bush. Survivor of the fittest. As they send you for mission, you go. You get injury, they abandon you. They go for the next person. And so they flop so. Governors also they flop, they don't abandon them. They die wounded for their food. So they for inside bush, no way they for work, don't forget about it. They die blessed day and night because of poor medical facility. Because people they out and for make their money for use now. Because they realize when they don't get injury, be expensive for them. They forget about you because they don't get no use with you again. They go for the next person. They use the next person. Of when they get injury too, they forget about it. They don't get injured, they continue to use you. They will get injured, they forget about it. They will die, they forget about you. Your chapter closed. They only can cry genocide for picture, cry, I mean for social media, cry. They ask for fundraising. When I raise money, say give them. They should don't chopper. When they pay, they say no, play over coal. More looks on one boy brainwash you. They say Peter come. Now why did it happen for down there now? Hey papa, they call my boy. What today? No worry, I will send you this, I will give you AK, I will give you do, I will send you do, no worry. I will make you general, I will do the way to get a country, kind propaganda, lies telling. The Africa will remember you. You are a big general, you are a big boy. Just go make a make no so when I see day. Because when play the quiet, they need to give their money for the diaspora. You say, hey, Opelo die, that will send you. You never get the manpower. You say, enter. You can't, you nothing. You come up call your BB head as you dull. You come up go boom for air. So now we go on time, army enter. Boom, it's a shoot now. You want to turn a train go die. Or you go get injury. That one road down and forget about them for that battlefield. They were rotting for the no man no carry. Then you go succeed now their own way. God bless you. You won't go. As you call the papa master, you go. You bad though. Me I get injured. I lost 3 picking them. Snap the picture for that 3 picking them. If you get a picture, you get a snap for them. Snap for me. Vam. They carry it on social media. You don't get out. They abandon you. The main money now for that few cops the road die. That's so they struggle. They my people them. That's so it day. You hear the beginning they cry. But my brother, I get one thing for tell you. Save your life. You know I say be late for you. Surrender for the government. The government be very good for help you. Even though their situation. Because you understand so una be own. It's only the fool now every day. When una go get sense. Now when I see some of you leave this nonsense because this thing are nonsense. Na sham, na scam. There's no scam in there. As soon as they finish with you, they forget about you. They go for the next person. Whether they call you shit no wipe land, they reason that. When they finish use you or they wipe their shoes, so they tell people throw them, go them. Forget about you. Your chapter don't end. I mean, don't die, remember una. I mean, don't get injured, remember una. No man no get una. They only look for that one they see there for ground, for manipulate, then they can make more money. They go die every day. But my brother Amazonian fighter, they watch me today. One of Nigeria, they watch me. One of outside, they watch me. And I say every day within my platform. Now they watch me every day. Me, I give you some advice. If some person call you, say he wants to know for mission for diaspora, not deny you, not deny. Don't say yes, you go the mission. They say yes, you accept, so you go. Not deny, accept. Tell him say may give you money, may give you 500,000. They say yes, you go to mission, but you need some materials. They may give you 500,000. You go buy some kind of things. So that if you buy an order, if you keep even a 100,000 where if you go, at least you're bad for day, you get injury. If you come back, no ways if you do that. Just do and so just lie say yeah, you go. When he send you the money na 50,000, no worry, take the money, chop am. She don't require this. You are better to them. If he call you say, where my boy? Because you like come your boy. Let's say he call you, yes, my boy. What it happen? You never go. They say, yes, sir. I be talk of 500,000. 50,000 do me no nothing. You want buy waiting. You know here about insurance. They say that one accident money the accident for your insurance. For say where you go, so it happen, you get some backup. Don't tell you so, use that scam for you so. They say you don't get the money, may forget. He send the money, you don't chop them. My brother, they might put a sense on her head. The time they do try to scam back these people for diaspora. Scam them, big time, don't scam we. Take their money, scam them. Una wise. Even to Eric Atolika talks about create a national army. Me I tell Amazonian fighters. Any man where Eric Atolika go call you for phone, no deny. Listen and listen good, no deny. Tell you say yes, you be prepared. You go be for that national army. But you need money. Make you go not work without money. Because you never go fight with collars or your hand. They say you need money. May send you money, physical cash. Scam me. When he send that money, my brother, buy your head, run, go, you even have Nigeria, go live for day, live your better life. With your time, which you don't extend, don't make your small money, you can't surrender. So that maybe you get some small thing for your hand before you give up. Wise. The time which will scam these people, them back. No, not deny. You will be a very dumb man for deny. You a fighter, wait there for ground. We ain't got to contact you or anyone that will contact you, tell you anything. They say yes, you go do them. Make you money. When you give money now, you forget about it, you close the chapter. They say make come for that. Whoever want it, make come for that, you can't do it yourself. Scam the because of the scam we. The scam we momo go there. We are listing and listing good fighters, they might put on a sense for their head. Scam them, the time to reach will pay back. Yes. When they send a very opportunity, that's why I make national army, do I make that enemy of social media. Tell us in a fine thing. If it tells Papa, where we there for Daniel more than 200-300, we they prepared. We are willing, Papa, send with that money. We send a phone now, una bow na hate. Yeah, una make a put sense for na hate. This thing a scam. The time we have to scam them back, no deny. See about them. I mean, they don't die to forget about them. The scam say una go fight, go do that for una. At the tail end. As soon as die, they forget about you. Do one die, they forget about you. You get injured, they forget about you. They abandon you. You don't get your time. If your family is safe way, if you even struggle with your family, or if you abandon or we run, you never need to accept. If you get some small lucky, say so maybe look at say sorry give per set for 100, they are lucky. Because you tell you say you know if you go mission way, you know giving a parasite for car drinker. Tell you say you need money because all thing na money. Tell you need money, make you the money. When you give the money, she don't tell you do it buy ahead. Run go you, not be back for you, don't run go you any side. You are there for Nigeria too. When they because then I know where to go on for now Nigeria. They struggle all way for see use una for Nigeria day. For the tell una lie story there for day. Fool una. Una the one I meeting for Calabar, me I know. All. I want to have some fine talk. Tell them say now, may they send that money for una. Tell them say no, may they send that money for una. Tell them so. They may they give that money so now be prepared for go back for go fight. Tell them say forget asking the ginger. May they send that money. When they send her, my brother, she don't quiet. There's nothing every day. If you want to make no test, make come up for public for dang. You know, do you know nothing, Matona? You know, do not know nothing. You go make that empty mop. You know, go do no nothing. Your time reach, you come surrender. You peacefully live your normal life. No go die for no nothing. Because this thing is scam. You not to learn now to scam them back. Now they can't put no sense for your head. You not to learn to scam them back. Because na their motive that way they get them. Their motive that's where they get them. Now. You no hurry. You don't fool Natalia now. Now not time to this will fool them too now. Now they're on ground now. The one use now. There's no problem. Be prepared because if you can fight, you be prepared for they can make money. Because if you go down and the dead can make you money. There's Papa Muta be prepared. Oh. Send me dough. When send the dough for you now, take the dough. Take a do a better thing. You run go you buy your head. You buy your head because so Ambazonian day. What a madness! What a madness, my people. Now why I just come, you can't tell una understand. Say that explain how you so pass it for bush. When you get injured, they forget about you. You die, they forget about you. No man no get a tower TV exists. You don't know if you come on social media to brainwash you now. But me I didn't have put a sense for my brother. Una get sense. Le Mark Barata Papa don't die. Mark tell us about fighter. They were the one can bury. Una take it 30 million. Because I don't call for dying to say no more people take money for die, but they don't come bury people. People their family don't die, no able for bury them. But you no go ever beat the same like own. You own no number something. Mark Barata, you go pay. Yes, Amazon fighter na time this for now. For use and make down the money. Forget about kidnapping. Now holy papa cops. They say we no give money to the car and they bury him. Or make me out for your own day. Tell you so, make you na money. Me papa cops. Me as a little pay ram some people they don't bury their body. Una take money too. Because now very people be saying we say more go die when they know the truth. And the camp tell una the truth. You know the truth, why became that for we. But today the one guy claim like say he be Jesus Christ. Yeah, might just show one for Amazonian fighter. The one I just listing this is small video where he come out for with the foolish very mark again. Yes. So much me I just tell una wait where he did the reality. Yeah. So una get sense.
It is hosted.
Yeah.
Where is the host country? Where is the host country? Where is our embassy? Where is our state house? It's a lie. It's a lie. They lied you about committee in UN. They told you a lie. It's a lie. They lied you about football match. They told you a lie. They lied you about some country being. They told you a lie. They lied you about Machiboya. They lied you. They keep lying to you. Lying to you, and some of us will take a blame because some of us helped to propagate these lies. And for that, I apologize. Before God and man, I apologize. Yes, some of us take responsibility. And a man is a man who takes responsibility to tell the truth. You need this truth to.
My brother, them, it don't be okay, so Russia. They don't scam we. So they get government, they get this other football match. They tell say Amazon they play football match, other lie them. Now scam, my brother. There is nothing like independent. Why one get sense? I want to put some small sense for my head. When I see the lie, what they happen. See the lies and what they happen. When they kill now, they take and make their money. They get injured, they abandon you. Now so, but they want send you for mission. They go pet you, then you can't lie them, can't fake promises that will not ever happen. You know will ever happen for this life. You go carry you be excited for that scam, that lies telling. Because Amazon been made up of lies to hear them. That's all they lie. They know why thing for lie and scamming. When they lie, you so put out your head so you craze. You say, hey, now so you come on, go for front with your door head. Boom, be up, you sleep for ground, they forget about you. You get injury. Where wait till happen, get injury. See that one, that they suffer. See hand on chakara. As if you look at me, you know what you want to chop. It's very hectic. You know, it be good for Luca. So my brother, I don't put sense for na it. I want to wait to a day. Wait to the pass through for down here. That one I will talk show now. Wait to the pass through for down here. For more to understand. Yes. Boy, they no. Oh God. I say if you watch them now. That one I don't see them. The one me I talk now out of experience. Wait at the pass through. Wait to road pass through for grand. Wait I don't see on my eye. They abandon you. No man no get your time. You get into the abandon you. Never person who get your time. They look the next person for say use them. That's so they use them. So they use them. They don't tell us Amazon boys. Any man will send information, not deny. Tell you will go make you money. They make you like 500,000. They want buy something them. You organize your boys and go hit. No worry, they prepared. When give that money for you, she don't chop. If you giving her 10,000, take that 10,000, chop her. Now I swear, chop her. No, do nothing. If you send the remainder of 500,000 on how many millions for you, take them. Chop the money, run, go you Nigeria. When you're not for Nigeria, give them money, take the money, remember, they scam them. Scam these people, but we're not get sense. Scam them, take the money. Take the money. Tell them, so you be prepared to go fight when they give you the money. You should not chop the money. Better your own life. This thing is scam. Check your brother, they don't use them, abandon them. Check your brother, don't die. They forget about it, now you go there, remember you. Now scam. When you are done, so they call you now. I would just say, any type of call now, listen very well. Any man with any type of call you for Amber Boys and for Grand, no deny. They say, Papa will be really, will like calm. Are they prepared? I need money. So I know if you do anything without money, they hold her. So you know if you do anything, no will give you money. You never go fight your house. You need apparel there, you need catchkeys, you need things there, you need gun. May send you the money for grand year. Yeah? Say may you send the money for grand year. Get all mapped to get that thing. They may send it because you don't pay for buy them. You didn't make on social media. Tell us you be prepared. Because one use you now. Tell us you need money. When you give the money that time, you take the money, you buy your head. Most see who you can't tell make a find you. No man no go do nothing. Don't ever fear, my brother. Get sense. I lay hand for any money, buy a head. My brother, them, yeah, the thing has come. There's nothing like independent. I can make a one understand. Thank you very much, my brother. Them. When I listen very well, I tell you, take the advice, or you regret. So that before one can surrender, at least, you don't chop their money, you get small change in your pocket. You catch that to make noise. You don't chop my money, don't do this. Now, so they think, my brother, no law sense. No law sense. Yeah, I don't tell now. Any mission is supposed to you go, no deny. When you give the money, no go. chop the money because you go die. They no fancy you must die. I swear to God. They give you money, go for any mission, you go, you must die. Take the money, she don't want the money, no go, no place. Nothing no go happen. You no go do nothing. If you have a military, say my brother come up for up camp for that, you no go ever come because of scam. Because they won't give 10, 20 million, it don't move small 500,000 give you. Know how many they don't make a pocket. They eat the plan say where as you take you now, so where send you for front. He knows so you must die. Then when you die, don't give you 500,000. He must at least instead of 500,000 give you, he must at least make even 2 million to your head. Where you die, at least even at 2 point something million will make onto your head. So that time you can make your money. You can put on social media and say, well, our fighter are die, we need contribution, we need fundraising. Mumu no get sense to they will carry the money, pop the pump am. Oh, as they be excited by the scam and thief for the idiot them for the diaspora, this so-called editor and so on and so forth them. They go stupid too as they be dull and blind, they don't know what will happen for gang. And they can't for open all na una contribution at the game for the body better than their life. Nothing they can for gang. And Ambassador already died and buried. You are there for business for your own risk. You are to contribute money now for your own risk. Yes. Because the people better people their own future. When they take that money, so they cut small packy, they look some poorly educated because they be angry, you know, understand. They use that advantage. They use advantage because they be angry at the reason. They confuse you, put it can't talk the way, send you information, say go. Where you go, my brother, you go confront army, they go wipe you, you die. That way you die, they'll put on social media and say, oh, our boys are dying down there. See this hard-braving soldier there. Well, we need contribution. We will contribute money, still give them again. They make their money. Now all their work that. Now all their job that. Now all their work that scamming, they make their can do. I bet you say if you need to pay no rent, you need to pay no tax. Wi-Fi for America na free of charge. Go away the data na free of charge. Na free of charge. They contribute money, make can keep up for your cow pop. They chop every day. She don't. You make tea, bro. Be there for bush. You die every day. Sleep, mosquito they bite you. Snake, sickness, all kind atrocity, all kind things they pass through for down here. Even for chop, you know they. You sleep for side. You don't fair chop. Mosquito, snake, all kind in them. Either for publish, you don't comfortable pay or make video take it for wear coat make so. Now money that. Una scam them back, take that money, buy a hit, my brother. Mona wise. Type on a very much country people them. I just my local talk for una mona understand which way they. That's the simple truth, my brother. Them. The time they reach when una need to go back for these people. They need to pay back. Nana pay back time for them. No go, no mission, no touch no man, no kill no your brother because of manipulation. Accept so you go do am. If you say can go kill the boy, they say yes, I go kill it, but I need money. I need to buy materials them. I need to buy some kind of things them so that I will be able to carry out this mission successfully. When you say the money, you test the money never correct. You say do what they ask you, now your risk allowance, insurance. For insurance, something happen, if you buy some kind of thing, they will back up. When they give the money, chop the money she done, my brother. Now the time this for wise. You don't need for touch no man. You don't need for inflict pain for your own them. Most scam the people back. Because there's nothing like independent. More wise ourselves and save our life. Save our own people then. My brothers. The way that come on open, I wanna understand. And then all of my country people then I say get on a duty. We not forget. We don't tell and say if you fear, create fake Facebook profile them. Share the message. Make the message reach right for the body and for gang. Because also somebody they get up as well not be able to get the because of network and some kind of God. They don't manipulate with some go burn all these Sonet pull them, MTN pull them for saying we not get communication so that more not be exposed for social media because as far as you be exposed to social media, you will see that they are thief and lies. That's what they think they. Now why that you say and say the boy that dies when they see that because up to now because they not get that notion, that brain. Yes, but to get a duty. If you talk to the fear, they do this, any man gets a part for play. I be asked last time, you like a Cameroonian, what you don't contribute for this crisis for solve. If you tell me your own input you don't do for solve the crisis, or your own thing only for the send them, they go die to make your money. No, all we get the right to solve this problem. This country in our country, not in a country for one man. So I just say I can talk when I want to understand. Say we not get a bigger role to play because now be send we for push, now be contribute. Yes, the time don't reach for now for understand. So we have to stand up like one people. The simple truth that way there. Because my brothers and for Butch, I don't tell una wetin una for understand. All this thing na nonsense. The pain that they inflict on una own na nonsense. Una learn now for scam. I want to new charges in una get take an Amber Boys. Una forget about fighting. Una gonna operation scamming. That's what they call them. Pay back. So man look at scam say pay back time. And the portion that pay back time for diaspora because na they were worst enemy. Yes, forget about your brother. Because no kill them for 4 years, not independent. You still continue to kill them for nothing. Now na operation pay back time. Take their money, she done. Chop am. Don't worry, I go surrender. You no man will kill you, my brother. Buy her head, take that money, she don't chop am. With the give you money for mission, go. They fine, not pay. Talk with them, even call you for a phone. Una accept on Angola National Army. If me have ever go, they say I will go. May send me. May give me the money. You take the money, you pocket them, you buy her head. They have money, they have suffer. That money contribute to for una. They use and chop themselves, better their future. Therefore, relax your pace, they chop air condition, enjoy, do good life, drive for comfortable cars and drive flashy cars and live a good life. Now, therefore, put they die, mosquito they bite una, a snake, all kind thing them. Now they pass through, not easy. Drink can for them, 1 month, not chop, tramadol, drug. It therefore better in future. My brother can't put sense for una head. Mona wise, the time don't reach for payback time. No, not forget say Magbata Paro die. He get for pay as all man be the pay. You know go bury papa peacefully. No one day it no go happen because that's what you be tell you no gree bury some man peacefully for inside the land. You too know, my brother. Tell it say you did for buy gun and catch may support. That thing for update may forget may send the money or everyone be buried may remain for day may remain for your own day. You know be buried for the land. No one day when you give that money no buy your head. Run go you, forget about the nonsense. That's what the thing they never want to wise. I can't put sense for I want to understand. Thank you very much, my country people. I share una thank you very much, my people. May God bless una. Yes. I want to thank our Igwe again. I don't go ever stop for thank our countryman. You are too much. May God bless you for your marvelous job where you do. Now only God for heaven to pay you. I thank you very much. I want to thank all the people then. Where they support we for make them say make the platform they grow for make them say make people that like be safe and some property they be safe. I thank una for 1 or 2 that they support we. I really appreciate and I thank una for una support. I really be happy. Me una countryman Okan Nasewi Clovis. I go see the thank una every day. May God bless una and may God guide una and may God be with una and may God show una, may God prosper the work of una hands. May make una see good things. Una hear music go play am. Yes. Say God go help all my people, all my country people there. Will they follow we? God go make life. He go bless una. I pray that every day for keep una strong, give una the courage. Una know say una get a responsibility for do am. And una countryman junior no go ever stop for the do the work where he do am. I go continue. And I pray, say, with the good Lord, way to guide me all this while. I thank you very much. And also, most of you for this COVID-19, you know, easy. When I pass through stress, well, I really feel them. But most of you are there for, be really a patriotic Cameroonians, where you are there for diaspora and supporting terrorism. Well, you know, easy when for do, you know, the COVID-19, even for year. So, my brother, them, I thank you very much. I'm gonna stay tuned. Yes, I will come a day and a day. We make talk with our country people that just come for just pass on this important message. We want to understand. Thank you very much. May God bless you, our countryman junior. I will use the advantage to talk again, my brother.